At ForeFlight, we are always looking for ways to make you more productive and efficient during every flight. Modernized briefings and flight plan filing is an important goal for us, and we continue to build a foundation to streamline those activities. Filing your flight plan through ForeFlight Mobile is seamless from the planning phase. If you know your route or are filing direct, you can easily jump right to the File and Brief tab and enter your flight plan information directly into the required fields. Tap New Flight Plan in the upper right to start. You can also save some time by copying and editing a previous plan. Select one from the list on the left, tap Copy on the bottom menu, then edit as needed. When you are finished, tap Brief to retrieve and download your weather and NOTAM briefing. This briefing is time-stamped and saved to the iPad so you can view it offline later. Then tap File. Another way to start the process is in the Maps view. You may want to evaluate your route and different destination airports in detail. The Maps view gives you this complete planning picture. Touch planning makes navigating your way around restricted airspace, weather, or rugged terrain very simple. Touch the pink course line and hold for a moment to bend the line and add another point. You can easily insert, delete, or change the order of waypoints within the route editor. From the route editor, you can also select your aircraft profile, use the altitude advisor to select the best wind and route altitude, and select an IFR route. The route advisor gives you options for airway-based routes, TEC or preferred routes, and recently cleared ATC routes. Tapping on a line automatically adds those waypoints into your route editor. Switch to Navlog for in-flight navigation. Once your route is planned, you're only a few taps away from filing your flight plan via the app. Tap the Send To button, the little box with the arrow in the lower right, select File and Brief, and a new flight plan is automatically created in the File and Brief view based on what you've just selected in the route editor. Review and tap any additional edits into the plan, download your briefing, and then tap File. Looking at the brief page, you can see it's organized into sections. Only lines in bold have information to view. ForeFlight supports both FAA domestic and ICAO flight plan formats. The ICAO format collects additional bits of information about your flight and aircraft profile that increase safety and may help with potential search and rescue efforts. If you're flying over remote areas, you can indicate what survival gear or emergency radios you have on board. Flying over the Great Lakes, you can report detailed information about your dinghy equipment. ForeFlight primarily files flight plans directly via the modernized Lockheed Martin Flight Services AFSS interfaces. We also continue to file via DUATs if that's your preference. When you file with ForeFlight Mobile, you also get automated emails and push notifications, giving you reassurance that the information you submitted has been received by the system. You will receive 3 emails after you brief, then file your plan. One is a summary and confirmation of your filed flight plan. The second email contains your weather briefing. This briefing contains much of the same information you would receive calling 1-800-WX-BRI-EF and speaking with a flight service specialist. If you filed IFR, you will receive an email alert with your expected route of flight, if available, or a note that an expected route was not received from ATC. If you haven't filed through ForeFlight Mobile, give it a try. As always, if you have any questions or need technical help, contact us at team@foreflight.com. From all of us here at Team ForeFlight, thank you.